I dove. This is just a. Is this real? It's some sort of rodent. Yeah, I guess so.
Can I see?
Can't stop the footage. Styrofoam being eaten. Eated. And jump in. Did you touch it?
I see.
No, can't pop. So lifelike beach kelp. Go back. Help. Help. Help the ecosystem. I don't know. Which way's better? Super spicy. Getting close to the shin. Ooh. Some more drying friends. Just from freshwater to brackish saltwater. Yay! Transitioned. Oh, hold on. Notice some things have changed around where I'm just going. Ooh, loud ruffles.